Purpose of database system. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the purpose of database system. Now let's move to the next topic. So, the main purpose of database management system are: database systems are designed to deal with large volumes of data. Data management comprises both the construction of data storage systems and the provision of data manipulation methods. In the continuation to previous slide, the database system must maintain the security of the information held despite system crashes or attempts at unauthorized access. The system must avoid any unexpected effects if data is to be shared across multiple users. The database applications were built on the top of the file system. The goal of Database Management System (DBMS) is to transform the following: data into information, information into knowledge, and knowledge of the action. In the detailed manner, we will study what are these goals. First is data into information. Raw and unprocessed data is converted to informed decisions, or insightful marketing campaigns will help businesses to arrive at informed decisions, guiding them to success. Second is information into knowledge. If information is the individual piece, knowledge is the completed puzzle. Knowledge is only obtainable when online learners comprehend the subject matter and can put the components together. And the third purpose is knowledge to the action, in which you identify the problem or issue that you want to change, select knowledge to the address problem, issue, and determine the gap between knowledge and practice. We will understand this goal with the help of example in further slides. For example, a database system might be used to track customers' orders for an online retailer, to store medical records for a hospital, to manage employee records for a company, or to store financial transactions for a bank. In each of these cases, the database system is used to store and organize data in a way that makes it easy to retrieve and analyze the data. In the diagram, data is changed into information, then changed to the knowledge, then finally action is taken on the knowledge. In the pursuit of knowledge, data is collection of discrete values that convey information, describing the quality, quantity, fact, statistics, other basic units of meaning, or simply sequences of symbols that may be further interpreted. A datum is an individual value in a collection of data. Data is usually organized into structures such as tables that provide additional context and meaning, and which may themselves be used as data in larger structures. Data may be used as variables in a computational process. Data may be represent abstract ideas or concrete measurements. Data is commonly used in scientific research, economics, and in virtually every other form of human organizational activity. For example, a database system might be used to generate reports on sales trends, to find the total number of orders placed by a particular customer, or to identify the medical conditions of patients in a particular age group. Information is often processed with respect to iterations. Data available at one step are processed into information to be interpreted and processed at the next step. For example, in written text, each symbol or letter conveys information relevant to the word it is part of. Each word conveys information relevant to the phrase it is part of. Each phrase conveys information relevant to the sentence it is part of, and so on, until at the final step, information is interpreted and become knowledge in a given domain. Knowledge can be defined as awareness of facts or as practical skills. It may also refer to familiarity with objects or situations. Knowledge of facts, also called propositional knowledge, is often defined as true belief that is distinct from opinion or guesswork by virtue of justification. While there is a wide agreement among the philosophers that propositional knowledge is a form of true belief, many controversies in philosophy focus on justification, whether it is needed at all, how to understand it, and whether something else besides it is needed. Action is the work applied on the basis of knowledge gained through data. For this example, the data on sales trends is studied to find insightful information from that data. Then, after that, these pieces of information are comprehended together to find knowledge on sales trends, and then, at the end, action is taken on the basis of knowledge. Overall, the purpose of database system is to provide a structured and organized way to store, access, and manipulate data in a computer system. The next topic is the advantages of database management system. Firstly, it can control database redundancy because it saves all of the data in a single database file, and that record data is saved in the database. Data sharing. Authorized users of a database management system can share data with a large number of other users. The database system is relatively easy to maintain due to its centralized architecture. It saves time by lowering the time it takes to create a product as well as the time it takes to maintain it. Backup. It consists of backup and recovery subsystems that create automatic data backups in the case of hardware or software failures and restore the data if necessary. Lastly, it offers graphical user interfaces and application program interfaces among the other options. To summarize the advantages of DBMS. Because information is so important in most organizations, computer scientists have developed a large body of concepts and techniques for managing data. Data independence, efficient data access, data integrity and security. Continuation to previous slide, data administration, concurrent access and crash recovery, reduced application development time. In earlier days, data was stored manually, using pen and paper, but after computer was discovered, the same task could be done by using files. A computer file is a resource which uniquely records data in a storage device in computer. There are various formats in which data can be stored. In computer science, file processing system (FPS) is a way of storing, retrieving, and manipulating data which is present in various files. Files are used to store various documents. All files are grouped based on their categories. The file names are very related to each other and arranged properly to easily access the files. In file processing system, if one needs to insert, delete, modify, store or update data, one must know the entire hierarchy of the files. The following are the main disadvantages of DBMS in file processing. Provide less security, high complexity in updating of database, data separation and isolation, data dependence, data duplication. Incompatible data means data from different file formats, lack of flexibility in organizing and querying the data. Some more disadvantages of using traditional file-based systems are slow access time, presence of redundant data, inconsistent data, data integrity problems, difficulty in recovery of corrupt data, lack of atomicity, problem in concurrent access, and last is unauthorized access. Let's see the summary of this video. The goal of Database Management System (DBMS) is to transform the following: data into information, information into knowledge, knowledge of the action.